Jake with Vidor here. We had a customer call because he had some water and some leaves coming in his garage door. And when we first got here, obviously you can see the gap under the door. We made sure the door was level. It is in fact level, so we're gonna add a new bottom seal on it. We have a 6-inch bottom seal that we could pretty much put on any door for that exact purpose, whether it's an old home or even a new build where the concrete wasn't done properly and the concrete sank a little bit, causing that gap, which probably wasn't here earlier. Because the door is level, we're not gonna make it out of level to close that gap because that'll make the door run improperly and end up causing more problems down the road. So we'll get started on changing out that bottom seal. We're all done adding that 6-inch bottom seal. As you can see now, there's no more gap, no more leaves, rainwater, or critters getting in. So all good to go.